Are you new to Unity or just starting your adventure in game development? These 5 tips will transform your journey and simplify your life. Let's dive in without further ado. Tip number 1. Use prefabs like a boss. Why waste time recreating the same object over and over again? Use prefabs. Create an object once, turn it into a prefab, and utilize it wherever needed. Need a change? Simply edit the prefab, and it updates everywhere magically. Example: cars, trees, enemies. Make them all prefabs. Tip number 2. Learn the shortcut keys. Tired of endless mouse drags? Memorize these shortcuts. W equals move tool, E equals rotate, R equals scale control, plus D equals duplicate. These shortcuts will double your work speed. Tip number 3. Use gizmos to debug. What are gizmos? They are your data display tools in the scene view, showcasing spawn points, colliders, etc. Write and on-draw gizmos function in your code to visually debug your game. Tip number 4. Always use version control. One small mistake could ruin your entire project. Hence, use Git or Unity Collaborate. Backups will be ready, and you can restore previous versions if needed. Tip number 5. Don't ignore the console. Is the console displaying an error? Do not ignore it. Error messages tell you exactly where and what went wrong. Use try-catch to handle errors efficiently. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a like. For more Unity tips, subscribe to the Stride Crafter channel, where new ideas await. Comment and let us know which tip proved the most useful. Until the next video, cheers!